I am Mansukh Makadiya, the Managing Director of MAR Bearings Pvt Ltd. We are a leading manufacturer and exporter of high quality bearings in India since 1995. We are a manufacturer of ball and roller bearing. Our range is 50 mm to 500 mm OD with a strong innovation and precision engineering and quality as per international standard. We are exporting more than 27 countries in all over world, and our huge dealer distribution and dealer network more all over India. So please visit Engiexpo and our stall at Jaipur and Rajkot. Thank you.